Hi everyone, welcome to Developer Duke.
In this video, I will show you how to fix bad screen recording quality on iPhone. Solution 1 is change your recording size. Whenever you send any types of video using messages or WhatsApp, the quality will be compressed. If your screen recording videos are looking poor quality in your Photos app, then change your recording size. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, find and tap on Camera. Here, tap on Record Video. If you select 4K at 60 frames per second, will give you the highest quality and smoothest video, but it will take up around 400 MB of storage space per minute. If you select 4K at 30 frames per second, will give you the highest resolution video, but it will take up around 170 MB of storage space per minute. Solution 2 is turn off low quality image mode. Whenever you send the screenshot to the person, it comes blurring when the person receives it, then you have to turn off low quality image mode. To do this, open Settings app, scroll down the screen and tap on Messages. Again scroll down the screen and turn off low quality image mode if it's turned on. When this is on, image sent will be lower quality. Solution 3 is restart your iPhone and screen recording again. Sometimes restarting the iPhone will solve this issue. To do that, go to Settings app. Now scroll down the screen to find General and tap it. Again scroll down the screen and tap Shutdown. Now drag the slide to power off slider to turn off your iPhone. Then wait for a few seconds and turn on your iPhone. Solution 4 is check for software update. Your iPhone should be connected to the Wi-Fi to check the software update availability. First, open Settings app. Next, tap on General. Now tap on Software Update. If update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 5 is check the storage of your iPhone. If your iPhone does not have enough space to save the screen recording, the video will be saved in lower quality or it shows some error. To check your iPhone storage, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down the screen and tap on iPhone storage. Here, you can see the status of your iPhone storage. If there is no space available means storage is almost full, delete unused apps. Solution 6 is select Download and Keep Originals. Tap on Settings icon from the home screen. Here, tap on your name. Now tap on iCloud. Tap on Photos. If optimized iPhone storage is selected, then switch it to Download and Keep Originals. If your iPhone is on low space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device-sized versions when optimized iPhone storage is selected. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech Page.